Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click here in this page and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app on floor, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.